Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to determine if 14 or 15 pounds is better. Make sure you guys stick around towards the end of the video. I'm going to tell you exactly why I decided to drill a 14-pound ball, and I might drill a few of them. If you guys are interested in the merch, efx.co, link in the description below. Coupon code DATA at checkout. 14, 15, let's get it. Alright, so I have Belmo's ball, his newest ball, Rocket AI. Forgot my chamois yesterday, so I'm going to use my shirt. I have 115, 114 both laid out. Actually, you know what? Check out the Patreon. That's where my layouts are going to be. Ball on the house shot, haven't thrown a shot yet. I haven't shot a spare. The approaches are kind of sticky because it's humid outside. Yeah, weird, it's Vegas, it's humid, but here we go. 14 pounds. I think it's the house shot. Alright, 14-pound light swisher. I'm gonna give you guys all the info I have on 14-pound balls. The cores are different, I think. The numbers should be a little bit different. Typically, 14-pound balls have higher RGs, which means they want to get down the lane further. So on top of being lighter, you can throw them harder. They have higher RGs, so they naturally want to get down the lane further. Back to the 15. I've never really gone back and forth between two weights. We'll see if that affects anything also. It's not very good. I also don't know if this is actually a house shot, but with a higher RG, we say this a lot on the channel. Free push, free hook. Pushes for free, hooks for free. I think I might have to move a little right though. Not the most true sample size. I'm gonna shoot all the spares, but if I miss them, for the sake of comparison, I'm just gonna make them spares. Should be fine. I'm not loving how sticky the lanes are right now. I don't like changing my heel, but I might have to at some point. So we have strike in frame 1 for 14, spare in frame 1 for 15. I can definitely feel the difference. I'm gonna move a little to the right. Both shots were on the light side. One just hit the head pin to the right. Oh my God, go. Okay, this does not feel like a house shot. They're definitely kind of flat. The house shot here is just kind of flat. Shot making, not a premium right now. I do have my spare ball. Stickage is a premium. Nice. Well, like I said, we're just gonna make them spares. It's never good when you're thinking about what your feet are doing when you're trying to throw a heavy object. Should it be a problem? No. Should I be good enough to figure this out? Yeah. Did not change my slide or my heel. So I'm more or less doing it to myself. Okay, let's try again. 15. Oh my gosh. So if I throw the 14-pounder there, do we think it deflects or drives even harder? We don't know. We need some relatively similar hits. Also, if I bowl a higher game with the 14-pounder, should I just switch to 14? There we go. Yeah, I hate it when it's humid here. I feel like these buildings aren't very well insulated, so the humidity in Vegas really affects the approaches pretty bad. 14 pounds! Left again. High again. It definitely feels quicker, which makes sense. I gotta throw it over there. I think the one shot I 1-2 forward kind of spooked me from throwing it over there. Also, the sticking part is not helping anything. Dude! Might have to change the heel. I think the only one that I mean the red one I feel like sticks a lot too. Maybe not as much. It's still bad either way. I feel like the red's worse when it's humid. I think the red's supposed to be a little less. Anyways, to the 15 we go. Alright, see if we can get one to float on over there. Nope, same spot. It definitely rolls off it better though. Are we just too far left? I've been left to guess. 15 pounds is down by 1. 38 in the second to 37 in the second. All square. If we based it on true spare shooting, the 15-pounder would be winning. Should I have drilled a 14-pound spare ball for this too? All right, back to the 14. I know they don't hook to the right here as much on the house shot, which is why I'm not playing as far to the right, but I think we might have to. Dude, I stuck on my second step. Oh my God. I basically tripped. I don't know if you can see it on the lane cam. I got to hear it, I was like, ah! But hey, that was fortunate. This was like bowling on tour the first month. Every single bowling center, stick, 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 stick. Actually, no, I lied. The Players Championship, they were kind of slick. After that though, humidity, terrible. Maybe? Nope. Okay, it's some version of a house shot. I don't think it's Gold Coast's house shot. That's not good though. That's a shot that I feel like I should hook. They're flat. I don't like to throw balls that are this quick when they're flat. I don't like it, not one bit. Maybe? Dirty. All right, commanding lead for the 14-pound ball. Ow, ripped a nail. Is it too soon to talk about why I drove these 14-pounder, or I'm going to? This is my first 14-pounder. I feel like the 14 is gonna hook off it a lot easier, for sure. Whoa. Okay, so from a ball reaction standpoint, I think these two balls are about as wrong as it gets. I need something smoother, I need something earlier, I need something dull, more surface. I think if I need to use these, how would I use them right now? I think I just have to hook the whole lane. Cross the lane a little more. Create hold with steepness. Okay, after I shoot this, after I spare this, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on why I'm drilling 14s. Hook a little. Okay, so this is why I'm drilling 14s. This is not going well. I'll throw 2 strikes. We're about to bowl on twisters for the last regular regional that we may ever get to bowl. I've never really had great success on twister pins because twister pins are lighter, and I play for the best ball motion possible. But I don't think the ball motion required for regular pins is not the same as twisters. Twisters like deflection. 14 pounds should deflect more. So my thought is, I can throw them harder, they'll deflect more, should solve my problem. We'll see if that's the case. I did order a Bionic, but they're on back order. So that's 14. I would definitely be throwing the Bionic instead of the Rocket AI right now if I had it, but we don't. We're gonna give her the curl. That's not getting there. Dude, what kind of house shot is this? It's definitely not a house shot. It can't be. They feel incredibly flat. But anyways, we spare this. It's a 1-point game. Again, I'm only gonna give myself spares on the actual makeables. Not splits, not washouts. My middle finger is getting blitzed right now. I'll deal with it, cut it after. But yeah, 14 pounds for the twisters. Because I get annoyed every time I throw a good shot and it's just a drive-by 9-pin or pocket 710 or 4-9. It's like regular pins that it's just annoying. All right, let's see. I think we need to get to like 6 to 7 down lane. 6. Oh! There we go. Nice. So in my head, if I throw the same shot with a 15 pounds, that should be flush. There's no 9-pin, but I don't really care. Dude. These approaches are banging me so hard. The craziest part about when it's humid, I think the humidity gets into your sole as well. It gradually builds up, so you just start sticking more and more. I don't even want to shoot this. Just give me the spare. Fuck. I have to cut my nail, guys. Please hold. I would definitely need to change my heel if the score actually mattered. Well, the worst part about this is Lance is coming in, and we need to shoot a ball video. I don't know if he likes tacky approaches. Oh, it's 14-pound time? It's bad because I stop and then my shoulders rotate immediately. I can't throw it to the right. This ain't a house shot, by the way. Not even close. They feel so flat. I've missed the head pin to the right twice already. It also doesn't help that I can't make a shot because I can't slide. I think we need a dehumidifier. We got the cleaning crew coming in. We'll see if this makes it any better. All right, let's try to bowl 200 here. We get 212 up top, we get 217 on the bottom. That would prove that 15-pound balls are better than 14-pound balls. At least what we're balling on. But both balls look terrible right now because I think they're just the wrong ball for what we're balling on. Yeah, battling the elements today. I feel like I have to switch heels. We gotta do what we gotta do. I thought I had a little orange one in here somewhere. I guess, oh, there it is. H11. Honestly, don't know if that's better or not. One more soul change. Orange on orange. Oh God, that is so slick. No, that's too much. I might die. I don't even know why I have this sole in my bag. It's like ice skating. Yeah, the 3G soles are significantly slicker than the Dexter ones. All right, this should be better. Yeah, I can feel my right shoe sticking to the ground. Rubber, no good. This is a shoe combo I never use. S2 H11. Should probably check the approaches. I mean, with the sole, I don't know if it was just the sole change or both, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. What if we just move to the right? We're just gonna move to the right. Whoa! Carry. There we go. There we go. I hate using this sole and this heel because it just scares me. All right, here we go. Now we got a match. Now it's like I'm throwing a urethane ball. No! You wanna know how I really know it's not a house shot? I can't play this far right on any house shot, in Vegas at least. The freest of hooks is not there, but we can still ball 200. Oh! All right, it's a little more manageable. I just had to change myself. 14, I need to make sure I'm not throwing the wrong ball. This makes more sense though. They're tighter to the right. The lighter ball, the 14 pounder, just skated by it. Boink. Oh! Tell me this is a house shot. Tell me it's a house shot. Tell me. I thought that was good. That's not a spare. Oh, it is. All right, this is just, oh wait, that's 9 spare. 4-pin match. Well, amongst all the different things that we're doing right now, throwing the wrong ball, the wrong time, all things considered, really not that bad. We can still ball 190. Okay, back to the 14. Now we need to make sure the ball gets started before it goes basically in the gutter again. There we go. Hey, that was the 14. Did you see the deflection? That's what we need for the twisters. This is the cheat code. This is the secret. I am almost positive. I am going to give a run at this regional with 14-pound balls. I also don't have a chamois. I'm just not prepared to shoot videos today. I'm not prepared to bowl today. All right, here we go. Forward hand. We got to catch it. Make sure it slows down. How did I get 3? Yeah, I just had to roll it, throw it slower, and hit it harder. Yeah, house shot. Any normal house shot, I'm throwing it in the left gutter from there. It's a 4-pin match though. 141 in the 8th for the 14, 137 in the 8th for the 15. Have I mentioned I'm a terrible YouTube bowler? Someone should do a ranking of how YouTube bowler rankings, how guys perform on YouTube. Crack. That definitely hit like a 14-pound ball. That kind of miss doesn't happen with the 15s. Like how it hit. I'm kind of a bowling nerd, so I pay attention to all these little things that happen. So, yeah. Everybody, I'm giving myself a spare for that. Illegitimate scores. That's okay. I have faith in this though. I think the 14 pounds are gonna be the answer to twisters. Lance is on his way. We'll be shooting another video. Go! And I miss a little in, and it goes sideways. This is how you know that you need your ball to be earlier, smoother. This ball is clean, and not the quickest in the world, but it looks really quick right now. All right, we need this one for 15 pounds to win, for a 15-pound win. That's not bad. Oh! Normal pins, 15. Twister pins, to be determined. But you'll find out. Subscribe to the secondary channel, Vitamin D Tang. The vlog will be over there. I don't have a chamois. But the 15, they're like 2 completely different bowling balls. I mean, obviously they are. But the pound of difference and the core number difference, that makes a huge difference. That's bad. All right, let's go lock it up. 15-pound winner. What a game. What a game. Alright, well, aside from me being scared to slide now, I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys made it this far, let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see, any comparisons. If you want me to throw the same ball with different surfaces, if you want me to throw even lighter bowling balls. I mean, this is a use case that could actually happen, but thanks for making it this far. A like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.